Hi, I'm Marshall Shaper with SoundVision, where it's our goal to simplify life through technology. Today we're going to use OvrC Home to do so. So OvrC is where we can set up remote resets and remote control of your network right from your phone at home with these buttons here, where I can reset the network specifically or reset control 4 systems separately. But also we can control if, for instance, you wanted to limit the time of day that your kids can use their devices, or you wanted to enable content filtering on those devices. I'll show you how to do that right here from Network Controls. So what I'm going to do is find my daughter's Apple TV and enable content filtering by hitting this Add Profile button here. I want to name her profile Lily's Apple TV. And then I'm going to select it from the list of devices on my network and click Save. That allows me to have her profile where I can pause the internet for a specific amount of time if she's gotten in trouble and I need to cancel her internet for an hour. I can do that with one click of a button right here where it says Pause Wireless. I can also enable or disable content filtering. So I want to put restrictions on her Apple TV by enabling this button here and selecting which of 3 different levels of content filtering based on a kind of low, medium, and high security instance. So I'm going to set hers to high and save that. Now that I have Lily's content filtered and restricted, I can click on her profile here, and this is where I'll go to set up different schedules based on time of day. Like I want to create a bedtime schedule for her Apple TV right now. I go to Add Schedule, give this one a name. I'm going to name it Bedtime. Select your time zone, and I can actually create different schedules based on weekdays and weekends. So during the week, I want to set her Apple TV time to 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. and on the weekends I'll let her stay up a little later till 9 p.m. if she's on the internet. And I click Save here. And now her Apple TV only has access during the week until 7 p.m. Now that we have added content filtering and a schedule to Lily's Apple TV, maybe she's gotten a phone for her birthday and we need to add that to the same profile, filtering, and schedule. So we want to change the name of this profile for her Apple TV to just Lily's Devices. We can save that, and we hit this edit icon for devices, and we find her phone on the network, select the phone and add it to the profile, and now it has all the same restrictions that we've set up. And that is just another way that OvrC Home can simplify your life through technology.